we're going to start with a samurai hat. So I have a piece of origami paper that is white on one side and a color on the other side. I'm going to turn it white side up and I'm going to fold my diagonal. Again, this is origami paper, so you want to come down from the middle after you line up your corners. Press out to the sides, and when you know you have it where you want to press that crease firmly into place. Then we're going to make Sam hide his eyes. So take these bottom points, pull them up to the top point, first on one side, then on the other. Okay, then we're going to make Sam touch his toes. So take these loose points at the top, fold them down. So he's now touching his toes on one side, then do the same thing on the adjacent side. I'm going to rotate my model. Remember, every time you make something in origami, it's called a model. This next step is a little bit tricky, so I need you to pay close attention to what I say and then try it on your own, and you can pause and rewind as you need to. We're going to make a diagonal from this corner here up, and we want to make it stick out a little bit, like one of those great big butterfly collars that people wore in the 70s. So we have a small triangle poking out, and you want to do the same thing on the other side. And the negative space here in the middle will look like a kite or an ice cream cone, if you see that, and they both meet down here at this center point. Okay, so I want to make sure those are pressed firmly in place. I'll show you one more time just in case you missed it. You're going to take these loose points and make a diagonal crease down to the center point, just like this. At the bottom, I'm going to take the loose layer that's on top and I'm going to fold it up part of the way, but I don't want to go all the way up. I want to leave probably a finger's width on each side, like so. The next thing I'm going to do is take the remainder of this top layer and I'm going to fold it the rest of the way up, just like if you have a pair of pants that's too long and you roll it up. You want to make sure you fold it up the rest of the way. The last step is we're going to flip our paper over and take this last loose layer and fold it all the way up. All the way up. And then you have your samurai hat. You can open it like this, and this is your samurai hat.